Are you looking for the perfect wet and dry vacuum cleaner for your job site or workshop? One that'll be able to handle all of those general cleaner tasks with ease? Then stick around. The solution is right here. Hi everyone, my name is DK, and today I'd like to present to you the R11VAC-Li, an 18-volt lithium-ion cordless wet and dry vac. This vacuum is part of Evolution's family of cordless power tools. As a wet and dry vac, it comes supplied with both a cartridge and a foam filter, as you can see here. There's two quick lock clasps on each side of the vac that clip open. Clip them back in place to re-secure, and the vac is again ready for use. The powerful 18-volt lithium-ion powered motor has an impressive 21.2 litres per second of airflow. This vacuum doubles up as a powerful blower. Simply detach the hose and attach it to the blower port on the other side of the vacuum. What's great is that it's compatible with Evolution's entire battery range. All of the batteries in the range feature Keep Cool technology. The flat surface nozzle is housed just below the suction port. It's a great multi-purpose nozzle, and its wide diameter is great for quickly and effectively cleaning flat surfaces, such as the workshop floor. The crevice nozzle can be found here on the vac. Simply clip it onto the flexible hose and you can benefit from its slim design. The angled tip helps you get right into any tight spots. Last of the nozzles is the dusting brush, which can be found attached to the top of the vac. It's round with soft bristles and it helps with windowsills, shelving, blinds and even delicate tasks such as cleaning around your power tools, motors or switches. It has a bagless design with an 11-litre capacity bin. This is large enough for long-term collection of dust or debris. So there you have it, the Evolution R11VAC-Li, an 18-volt lithium-ion cordless wet and dry vac with a selection of onboard attachments and a cartridge and foam filter included. That's all from me today, guys. I'll see you on the next one.